I don't know if you heard about it, but they are saying that if you want to last in this lip gloss business, you have to switch or flip the script, okay? And this is a game changer that I'm talking about. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while since I've been on here, but I've been getting some stuff together for you guys. I have a lot of new things that I'm gonna be getting involved in, and yeah, but I'm here and I'm back, and today I have something extra special for you guys. It's a game changer, they say, so stay tuned and let's just get into this video. But before we do that, remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos by me, because this channel is gonna be lit. Okay, so yeah, and before I get into this game changer that everyone is talking about, I don't know if you heard about it, but they are saying that if you want to last in this lip gloss business, you have to switch or flip the script, okay? And this is a game changer that I'm talking about. But before we get into that, I just want to show you guys a little special that I have going on with my Versagel, and it's at my Queen's ink shop, so you guys can go there and check that out for me. So yeah, here I have the 16 ounce 1 pound Versagel. I have a few of these left because I had a whole, you know, that 30-pound bucket from TBK, and you know that's a lot. So I have I think less than 10 of these left, and I'm just gonna sell them at a reduced price, so you guys can go ahead and go over to my Shopify and just check these out. It's a very reduced price and you can get them. Yeah, it's 16 ounces, 1 pound. So this is good for you guys who are just starting out also, to go and invest in something like this, okay? And it ships immediately, like right away, okay? So here's the game changer that I want to tell you guys about. This is here, as you can see that name, the polybutene. I think I'm announcing it correctly, and this is the Versagel. Okay, so this hair is a bit thicker than the Versagel, and I will be doing a demonstration for you guys on this and the Versagel. So what everyone is saying, if you have not heard, that this hair leaves your gloss more pigmented, thick, rich, and creamy. You can use this along with the wax, but what I want to do is I want to see if they can go together, the Versagel, and I want to do a demonstration with the wax also. So here's the thing. This hair, if you look at that name, and if you look in the back of the high-end lip glosses like the Fenty, the Anastasia, and all of those high-end lip glosses, you will see that they use this and not this. Yes. So we're going to be doing a demonstration to see what the buzz is all about with this polybutene. Like I said, it's very stiff and thick. It like hardly moves compared to this Versagel hair. So this hair is also from TKB, but mind you, it's a game changer, but it's very expensive. It's like very high up there in the price. So I think this is a 5 ounce I got. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put on my glasses, and 5 ounce, and I think it was like maybe $15. So that can be a con, one of the cons in this area. One of the pros is that it leaves it pigmented, highly pigmented, and unlike the Versagel. Okay, so one misconception with lip gloss is that it should be very pigmented like a lipstick or something. That's not the case. A lip gloss is supposed to leave a light tint on your lips. I think I did a video with that before, but everyone is still asking, are they highly pigmented or whatever? That's not the outcome of a lip gloss. If you're doing lip glosses, your lips are supposed to be tinted a little bit. You're not gonna see that bright, rich, creamy, pigmented lipstick like gloss. Okay, so that's a misconception with the lip glosses. Okay, but here we have this. They're saying that this will leave your lips much more pigmented than this one. Okay, so let me just demonstrate this to you guys. That's the Versagel. I'm gonna put on my gloves here. I'm gonna use this spoon to just show you guys the consistency of it. So this is the Versagel here. See of the Versagel right here. I'm using these two flat objects so you guys can see it much better, I hope. The clear Versagel. And this is that consistency. Let me put it on the side. So as you can see, it's very, very, very thick. It's even stiffer to move. So it's just very thick. It's like, it feels as if it's getting like hard right here. So this is thick. Let me do a demonstration with the two of them like dropping the same time. So let's see what'll drop first. There you have it. The Versagel is like dropping in bigger lumps. But this was so light until it had to gather a lot of the base in order for it to drop. It's much heavier in the load, whereas this is lighter and it's taking a little while to drop. And it drops just like that. But where it's so heavy, it's not staying. It's like when a load is on something and it drops. This is how this is acting. So I went ahead and I did a little mixture. I'm using the little spatula. So I'm gonna be doing the Versagel mixture first with this. Remember I said I'm gonna be doing like two versions of the mixing. So I'm gonna try this one first with some Versagel. But I do think that this needs to warm a bit. You know how I usually warm the Versagel? I'll link that video for you guys somewhere. As you can see, that polybutene is very, like I said, very stiff. So let me just add a little bit of grapeseed oil. Boost it a little bit. As you can see, it's still a bit thick. Unlike the Versagel, it does leave a cloudy-like texture. So we're gonna add the pigment to it. It's very pigmented. Wow. I think I'm loving this. You could hardly see through it. See? I'm gonna do a swatch with it. Okay, let me do another swatch because my camera was... Okay, there you have it. It's very pigmented. Very. So let me just tell you guys a bit about the polybutene or polybutene. Okay, because you already know about the Versagel, yeah. So It's saying here that it's gluten-free vegan, like the Versagel, and is a bubble-based, pure, non-drying, no odor, non-toxic, and extremely thick liquid. It is great for the use in formulations of lip gloss, lipstick, eye makeup, skin and hair care products. So it's pretty, it has a pretty good use, a wide range of use in your beauty products. I would love to see how this is made with the eyeshadow or like the eye makeup. I don't know. So maybe it's the I don't know, but this is very sticky. I think you're gonna have to use a lot of like oil or just calm it down with some oil. So we're gonna do a demonstration, and maybe not the next video, the video after the next one, with the wax. Yeah, because I'm doing this demonstration now with the Versagel and this mixed together with the oils. Okay,